French toast has always become a breakfast win, but today I'm flipping it with a twist. Uncrustable great flavor. That's right, your favorite childhood snack became a golden cinnamon spice breakfast bomb. It's quick, it's easy, it's ooey gooey delicious. Let me show you how to make it. All you need are eggs, milk, cinnamon, a little bit of sugar, vanilla, and of course the star of the show, grape Uncrustables. That's it. 6 ingredients, 3 minutes of your time, and you have something that will blow plain French toast out of the water. And don't worry, I'll leave a link below with the full recipe. Whisk together your eggs, splash of milk, cinnamon, sugar, and just that dash of vanilla until you smell warm dessert. Now let's settle this debate. Is it strawberry or grape for the best Uncrustables? Let me know down below. Now that we got this out of the way, now unwrap the Uncrustable. And here's a little tip. Frozen actually works best. When they're frozen, they hold their shape while you dip, and the bread soaks up the right amount of custard. Now slide each one into the egg mixture, give it a gentle dunk, let it sit for a couple of seconds, then flip it into the other side. Don't overdo it. The goal is tender in the inside and crispy on the outside. Drop them on an oiled pan or griddle on medium heat, listening for that sizzle. Cook them about 2 minutes per side until they're golden and crispy. That's when you know the inside is locked in with that buttery crunch. Meanwhile, inside the grape jelly starts to melt down, turns into this warm, gooey lava that's just waiting to burst out when you cut in. And when it's done, boom, French toast. Now here's the fun part. Stack them up one by one right in the center of the plate. Each French toast pocket adds another layer, building this tall golden tower that looks like it came straight out of a diner menu. Once you got your stack, hit it with a snowy dusting of powdered sugar. It's like fresh snow on top. That soft white dust against the golden crust makes the whole stack look almost too good to eat. Almost. Don't just sprinkle it, coat all the edges. Now watch this. I'm cutting right into the center of this yumminess, hoping it's not a disaster, praying that the jelly doesn't go everywhere. And just look at that ooze. The grape jelly melting like gooey lava, mixing with the peanut butter inside. It's sweet, it's rich, it's messy in the best way possible. If you're feeling extra, drizzle that syrup slowly so it runs down the sides, soaking into every single layer. You're basically built an ultimate breakfast dessert. And then go in for that bite. It's French toast, it's peanut butter energy, and it's dangerously good. Stick around because you won't believe what I have coming up next.